All right, we are at CES here, CES 2025, and one essential tool I always bring with me is a little carrying case because I carry all my camera, cabling, equipment for it. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks like. This is the inside box for everything, all my accessories for my camera, extra cables I keep in here. It's a long cable, that's why I have it loose in here, but pretty much I have everything set up in here that I always use. All my card readers and everything. And I'm gonna show you the other side. On the other side, I actually took this apart a little bit because I needed more space. I carry my camera, and this is of course a DJI camera I carry with me all the time, a charging station, headphones, and it's different attachments, of course, extra. These are actually lights, right? So I actually use these. You could set them up if it's too dark some places. My external hard drive, I back everything up instead of my laptop. I also back it up in here. So if my laptop gets stolen, at least I have my data that I capture on CES today. So that's pretty much what we're doing out here, setting up. And this is an essential tool to bring with you everywhere. I pretty much carry with me everything, my headphones and my cables and my camera. So we're gonna get this out today and set it up. Right, so like I mentioned, there's a lot of things you can do with this bag. One of the best things I like is I carry all my headphones in here, and I just have a little zipper on the corner. I zip it up and grab it and go. I know exactly what I'm getting there. Very organized when I'm traveling. I don't have to worry about taking extra stuff because this is my go-to bag that I take out with me, especially in conventions out here when you're doing content creating. Charging stations are limited, cables are limited. You have to bring what you carry. So I carry a little bag with me, a little tiny backpack. So a sling bag. This fits perfect with all my stuff I need. My backup drives, my extra SD cards, micro SD cards. So put it back in the bag. Let's go start the show again.